There is a new tax coming, the food and beverage tax, January 1 of 2026. Lots of questions regarding this new tax, and Department of Tax Administration, we're here to assist and answer questions. So we have 2 upcoming workshops in the new year, and people can go online and register. And there's also a link to the workshops on the website. There's also a PowerPoint presentation if you can't make it to the workshop. But at the workshop, you're able to ask staff questions, specific questions regarding your business. We may encourage you to email us directly, but you can ask questions at the workshops too. We have 2 very important dates that are coming up. January 2nd, people can register for the food and beverage tax. And we also have February 20th, which is the first due date for the tax for any taxes that were collected in the month of January. I think it's important for people to understand that this is a separate tax from the state sales tax. The food and beverage tax is specific to the county, to Fairfax County, and any money that's generated here in the county will remain here and be used for resources within the county. So if anybody wants to learn more about the food and beverage tax, visit the website, email us directly, and we encourage you to ask us because we're here to help you.